running her wide open, NT. I put the HP on. I took it off after 2 days. I lost so much power and top end speed. I don't know. Maybe I need to look at the needle and adjust it, and I'll give it another try on my other engine. But I got 35 miles per hour with just this the one that it came with, the Bofang. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little ride by, and plus I'm gonna take the cap off and give you guys the sound on that, and it definitely gives you power.